Hello, I'm in a 2012 Chevy Cruze, and today I'm going to show you where your aux port, USB ports, and charger ports are. So from the front here, we'll find one charger port right here. And then if you open the center, we'll see there that there's a USB port and then your aux port. And then in the back, on the back here, you'll see another charger port right there. And then especially if you've got some sort of aftermarket radio installed, often they'll run an extra cord off to the side or into your glove box that often you can plug your phone into. But all that said, if any of these aren't working properly, like say this isn't charging, the first thing I check are your fuses. Sometimes these fuses can go out, which should make these inoperable. Especially if that didn't work and just like say one isn't working somewhere located in the car, you might need to get underneath this plastic to see if there's a connection that needs repaired or replaced. Something maybe got burnt out or shorted out maybe for just one individual unit. But all that said, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.